Dear learners, good afternoon. Delighted to meet you again. I hope you are safe and sound at home by the grace of Almighty. You know that we are now in a pandemic corona affected world. We have to stay at home. So we are trying to communicate through online classes. I hope you will take the advantage of these classes. I am Nandarani Sarkar, lecturer in English, Uttar Bangla College. Today, I will focus on HSC second paper, English question number 9. Our today's topic is modifier. Let's start our class. Dear learners, the objective of today's lecture is that you will be able to learn the definition of modifiers with examples, the uses of modifiers with examples, the uses of modifiers as words, phrases, and clauses, the types of modifiers, pre-modifiers with examples, and post-modifiers with examples. Let's go to the next slide. Dear learners, now we will learn the definition of modifiers. Definition: the words, phrases, or clauses which are placed before or after noun or pronoun or any parts of speech to modify that noun, pronoun, verb, or other parts of speech are called modifiers. Now we will see the examples. First example, a white cat is coming. Here white is a word and it is modifying the noun cat. Second example, Meena is very beautiful. Here very is modifying beautiful. It is an adverb. Number 3, he walks slowly. Here slowly is also an adverb and it is modifying walks. So we can see that words are used as modifiers. Dear learners, let's come to the next slide. Now we will see the uses of modifiers as phrases and clauses. Phrases: Meena wants to fly in the sky. Here, to fly in the sky is a phrase and it is used as modifiers. The book on the table is very interesting. On the table is prepositional phrase here. It is also used as modifiers. In case of clauses, we can see that I know the person who will come here. Who will come here is a relative clause and it is used as modifier. So we can see that phrases and clauses are used as modifiers. Dear learners, now we will learn the classification of modifiers. According to place or position, modifiers are of two types. First, pre-modifier and second, post-modifier. In Bengali, we know that pre means purve, that is before, and post means pore, that is after. Dear learners, now we will discuss pre-modifier and post-modifier in details. At first, pre-modifier. The word or phrase that is placed before the word it modifies is called pre-modifier. Examples: It's a fat cat. Here fat modifies the word cat and is placed before cat. George Floyd was a black man. Here black modifies the word man and is placed before man. Number 3. A white police officer murdered George Floyd. Here, white modifies the word police and it also modifies police officer. Next, the word police modifies the word officer. Post modifier. The word, phrase or clause that is placed after the word it modifies is called post modifier. Examples. Number 1. You are the student qualified for the scholarship. Here, qualified is placed after student to modify the noun student. Number 2. I saw the boy playing football. Here, playing football is placed after the boy to modify the boy. Number 3. The lady who ate many items was greedy. Here, who ate many items is placed after lady to modify the noun lady. Dear learners, thus we can know that modifiers are of two types, pre-modifier and post-modifier. Now we will know modifier in brief. The modifier can be removed without affecting the grammar of the sentence. Look, this is a red ball. Here, red is a modifier modifying the noun ball. If we remove the modifier red, the sentence will be, this is a ball. This is a correct sentence. So, removal of a modifier from a sentence cannot affect the sentence grammatically. We can make sentence without modifier, but modifier plays a very important role to construct a sentence. It helps to provide more information about noun, pronoun or verb of a sentence. Dear students, in our next class, we will learn more about modifiers. This is all about today. Thank you.